Good morning everyone. My name is Daruni Mikami. You can call me Teacher Som. Week 7, clip 46. The title is 100 sentence, vocabulary, reading, spelling, sentence, and sentence. Number 1, say. S-A-Y, say. What do you say? Number 2, slowly. S-L-O-W-L-Y, slowly. My mom drove slowly. Number 3, smell. S-M-E-L-L-A, smell. Rose, smell good. Number 4, finish. F-I-N-I-S-H, finish. My work done, finish. Number 5, home. H-O-M-E, home. I teach home, grade 4. Number 6, far. F-A-R, far. My house is far away. Number 7, Thai. T-R-Y, Thai. I was that trying to help. Number 8, understand. N-U-D-E-R-S-T-E-N-D, understand. You don't understand. Number 9, fun. F-U-N, fun. Today I'm very fun. Number 10, miss. M-I-S-S, miss. Miss Daruni Mikami. My story. Miss Daruni is a person who works very slowly. Sometimes his work is not finished. I say and encourage myself and content to understand my read. Have fun. Thank you.